Mike.
Ronnie! Ronnie, it's great to see you, man!
Welcome to the International Space Station. How you doing?
Great! Good, it's great to see you.
As ordered, here's some coffee for you. I had to wait.
Coffee, Ron, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's instant coffee.
Yeah, that's what we got here.
I worked on a restaurant and I traveled 1,000,000 miles and you give me a bag of instant coffee?
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Welcome to space, huh?
That's right, that's right. Come on board, let's show you the place.
Okay, let's take a look.
Hi, Mike. Welcome to the International Space Station. Sorry you only got instant coffee.
Hey, Ronnie. After two days traveling around the world, actually doing cartwheels around the world, and at Soyuz, any warm coffee, great coffee. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Well, welcome aboard. You know, I was wondering, how the people that are watching us at home, how do they know that we're not just making all this stuff, that it's not being filmed on a backlot somewhere?
You mean some people don't believe we're flying in space?
Well, maybe. I know it's hard to believe, but
I don't know. I think that's kind of a clue.
So
We've got my coffee,
strings or something?
my strings, yeah. Or me.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, that's not bad. Way to go. So
I don't have my legs yet.
So listen, I know that you're on Twitter, right?
Yeah.
And so I know that you're Astro Aggie.
Astro_Aggie.
Yeah.
That's right.
So what does that mean exactly?
Well, that means I'm like the 4th or 5th astronaut named Mike to be on Twitter, and Astro Mike went a long time ago.
Yeah.
And so Aggie is my kind of nickname, being a proud graduate of Texas A&M University.
You're a proud graduate.
Proud graduate of
Okay,
Texas
all right.
A&M University. That's right.
I know. I noticed that before. Good job. We both have sons that attend that wonderful university.
That's right.
And so what do you think? You're just getting started, a 6-month mission. What are some of the highlights we're going to have over our time together? We'll have 4 months together on board. So what do you think some of the highlights are going to be of that?
Well, first of all, it's living here with you. I mean, we helped build this place.
That's right.
We were here 3 years ago.
Almost 3 years ago, exactly.
So almost 3 years ago, exactly, we were here and helped build this place, added a Japanese laboratory to it, and it's grown some since then. We thought it was about done, but Nose 3 and the cupola is pretty huge, and we've got the MEM-1 and 2 over on the Russian segment.
Yeah, and you just docked to MEM-1, right?
We just docked to it. That's right.
MRM-1, MEM.
Right. And but really, I think the volume of the station is just about set, and it's great to see it now, complete. And now we're living here and working here.
Yeah,
we're not just visitors.
Yeah.
We're living, and
I'm
been running around trying to find stuff to move in.
Yeah.
And that's a highlight for me. In just a few weeks, we've got Shuttle Atlantis coming up for the very last shuttle mission, 135.
Right.
And that's really huge. That's history. It's 30 years of shuttle flying. And we're going to be here to share in, this end of that last mission. And you and I are stepping outside for our 4th EVA together.
That's right. And that'll be your 7th EVA?
Yeah, it's a good start.
Yeah. So
that's to quote Jerry Ross.
Yeah, it's a good start. All right, that's cool. So we've got Shuttle Atlantis coming. We've got a lot of science that we're going to be doing.
Yeah.
There's science being done right now as we speak in the Japanese laboratory. Satoshi's working on that, and he's hard at work in the Japanese lab.
He's second day here, and he's already at work in the lab. That's right.
That's right. So,
and we're transitioning from the time of assembly, which we've been concentrating on for the last 10 years, building the space station, and now we're moving into the utilization phase. We've got a commitment to 35 hours of science per week. And everybody from Mike Seppertini and Phil Gerstenmaier on down tell us that it's going to be 35 hours a week, and that really puts a challenge on us. because we've got to figure out how to make things a little more efficient
That's right.
up here so we can get that kind of science done.
And that's why we have the space station in the first place.
That's
right?
why we're here. That's right. That's
Yeah.
exciting.
Yeah, and we're in the U.S. laboratory right now, and it's one of the many premier laboratories on the space station.
Right.
And these are fully functioning laboratories conducting cutting-edge science. So
That's right.
It's really neat to be here. All right.
Cool.
All right. So Mike and I flew together on STS-124 back in 2008.
Right.
And here we are again together. So that leads us to our catchphrase now, right? Which
Yep.
which is what? What is our catchphrase?
Put the band back
Put
together.
the band back together. That's right. So we'll close for this installment, and we'll catch you next time. And we're looking forward to some of the exciting things that will happen during our 4 months together. And we'll keep tabs on Mike after I come home.
Good seeing you, Ronnie.
All right. Take care. What about a whoop? You need a whoop?
Whoop, whoop.